Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're discussing a hot topic in the cryptocurrency world. Why Bitcoin is on the verge of hitting $70,000. Buckle up as we explore the factors driving this potential surge. First up, let's talk about market sentiment. Over the past few months, there's been a significant shift in how both retail and institutional investors view Bitcoin. Major financial institutions are increasingly recognizing Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. Companies like MicroStrategy and Tesla have invested heavily in Bitcoin, boosting confidence among other investors. This institutional interest signals that Bitcoin isn't just a passing trend. It's becoming an integral part of investment portfolios. Next, let's consider Bitcoin's supply dynamics. With only 21 million Bitcoins ever to be mined, scarcity plays a crucial role in its value. As demand increases and more people become interested in owning Bitcoin, the limited supply can drive prices higher. Additionally, recent halving events where the reward for mining new blocks is cut in half have historically preceded significant price increases. The next halving is expected around 2024, which could further fuel bullish sentiment leading up to that event. Now, let's look at macroeconomic factors influencing Bitcoin's price. With ongoing inflation concerns and economic uncertainty worldwide, many investors are turning to Bitcoin as a hedge against traditional market volatility. As central banks continue printing money and lowering interest rates, assets like gold and now Bitcoin are seen as safer stores of value. This shift towards digital assets could push demand for Bitcoin even higher. Global events can significantly impact investor behavior. Recent geopolitical tensions have led many to seek alternative investments outside traditional fiat currencies. This has resulted in increased interest in decentralized currencies like Bitcoin. Furthermore, positive developments regarding regulations can bolster confidence among investors who may have previously hesitated due to uncertainty surrounding legal frameworks. Technological advancements also play a pivotal role in increasing adoption rates for Bitcoin. Innovations such as the Lightning Network are making transactions faster and cheaper while enhancing security. Moreover, growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies by mainstream platforms like PayPal and Square has made it easier for everyday users to buy and use Bitcoin. As accessibility improves, so does demand. In summary, several key factors point towards Bitcoin potentially reaching $70,000 soon, from heightened institutional interest and supply constraints to macroeconomic conditions favoring digital assets. What do you think? Is $70,000 on the horizon for Bitcoin? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency.